Hey, I'm Al Cavadlo, and today's video is inspired by a commenter who wants my help with skinning the cat. Now lately when I get these types of comments, I usually just tell people to do a search for the name of the exercise they're interested in, plus my name, and you'll usually find what you're looking for. But I have never done a skin the cat tutorial until now. So here goes. To skin the cat, start in a hanging position and then pull your knees all the way up to your chest like you're doing a hanging knee raise. Now if this is hard, just work on that part of the exercise until it becomes manageable. Now assuming you have a solid hanging knee raise, bring them as high as you possibly can and then use your upper body to rotate yourself beneath the bar so your legs pass behind it on the other side. And try to make sure your elbows stay totally straight. Focus on pulling from your lats and your shoulders. If you're tight, you may have to cross your ankles at first in order to get your legs under the bar. Either way, your first few attempts will probably be a little sloppy or awkward, so just keep practicing. Once your legs are through, then you can lower yourself down till your body is fully extended with your arms positioned behind your back. This is sometimes known as a German hang, and it's a great stretch. So pause there for a little bit, and then when you're ready to come back, reverse the movement by tucking your knees toward your chest, and then raise your hips up and thread your body back around to the other side. If you get stuck in the bottom of the German hang, don't worry. You can just let go and drop to your feet to get down. You can skin the cat on a pull-up bar or on rings. But unlike pull-ups, skinning the cat is actually harder with an underhand grip. So start out overhand, and as you get better, you can eventually work toward that supinated grip. Now, once you're good at skinning the cat, then you can start working toward a back lever. And that one, I do have a tutorial for already. Okay, that's all for now. Make sure to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Al Cavadlo, and we're working out.